How do you hold team members accountable without becoming the villain of the plan? It's a tightrope walk, isn't it? You see, if you're too soft, you never get things done. And if you're too hard, people see you as a tyrant and complain about you in the break room. Nobody wants to be that guy. And here's the thing, accountability is never about punishment, and it's always about clarity. You see, when people know what's expected and when they understand the why behind the work, and when they see you holding yourself to the same high standards, that is when accountability becomes culture and not confrontation. The Modern Manufacturing Leadership Workbook will help your leaders set clear expectations, have tough conversations with dignity, and protect your business without burning bridges. If you want to master the art of accountability, search Modern Manufacturing Leadership today and learn how to build with strength and respect. Corporate companies can click the opexleaders.com to learn more. And solo leaders, simply comment down below, join, and you'll get information on how to join the MML Mastermind Group. I'll see you on the other side, friends.